Hi everyone, welcome. This is UploadWP, and today we're gonna create an Woocommerce store using WordPress platform. So in this tutorial we will go over Xstore. It's a high premium theme from 8 theme, and we're gonna go to theme first and have a look right there on the theme before we install it. Then we're gonna go to GoDaddy and have a look at different domains, how we can find new domains to buy for your new website. We're gonna go to namecheck.com and see if the domain also are available on social media. We're gonna use Bluehost in this tutorial. Then we're gonna install WordPress on your Bluehost account. Then we're gonna go to the website and install Woocommerce, and at the end we're gonna install Xstore, so the theme. Okay, so first we're gonna go to themeforest.com. I will leave all the links below, so just check that out. So this is Xstore, it's responsive WooCommerce theme. So that means that this theme will work on all devices like a desktop, a phone, a tablet, and so on. Okay. And if you have no design skills, Xstore comes with demos. So if you're gonna do an organic store, that means that you can just install this demo and include your own content or products. Okay, then we have kid version, bike version, engineer version, glasses, we have furniture, cosmetics, and a lot of different demos. If you go down, they have 29,000 happy customers, product page options, new product hover effects, versatile header styles, and responsive. And this theme cost 59 bucks. And with this you get quality checked by Envato, future updates, also 6 months support. You can also extend if you like. So if you go and click on live preview, we can go and have a look at the theme we like. So let's say we want to do cosmetics. So just click on open demo. So here you can see a demo on how you can create your own WooCommerce store. So we got a menu, we got a slider, we also have a menu to the left, sidebar, we got the products, special products, and so on. Okay, so first we want to go to godaddy.com. You can go in the link below or just type in the browser. Okay, so in this search bar you can type in your desired domain name. So let's say I want to have beauty for life. Just click enter. Okay, so beauty for life is taken. You can also choose if you want to have .com, .life, .net, .studio, and so on. If you are in United States, you can use .com, or if you are in another country, just use your own. Okay, so let's say I want to have United States. I will just click on .com, and if you go here, you see that we get tips on domains that are available. So we can see that beautifullives.com is available. Just to make sure that this one is available, just click on select, and if you get this check mark, then you know this is available. Okay, because we're gonna use Bluehost, you're gonna get a free domain, so we don't want to buy a domain from GoDaddy today, but we're gonna copy this domain. Then we're gonna go to Namecheck. paste the domain right here in the search bar, hit enter. Okay, so now the website searching for this domain name and see if it's available on social media platforms. So if you go down here, we see usernames. We see that Beautiful Lives are available at Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Google+, Twitch, and so on. And if you got this red box, that means it's failed to reach service. And if you got this non-highlighted, that means that this is a taken username. But what you want to have is Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and Google+. Maybe Pinterest and some other things that you want to have a account on. Okay. So this is just one tip before you buy your domain, so that you don't have to use another username on the social media platform. Okay, so when we have our domain name chosen, we can go to bluehost.com. I will leave the link below. Okay, so Bluehost is one of the biggest host providers out there. So a host is where you're gonna store your website. You don't have to use Bluehost. I will leave a link if you want to go and check out other hosting companies. But at Bluehost we get a free domain, a free site builder, one-click WordPress installer, and 24/7 support, starting at $3.45 per month. So if this is right for you, just go and click on Get Started Now. So just choose the one you like, Basic, Plus, or Prime. Then go down and choose Select and set everything up. And I already have an account, so I will log in. Okay, so here is where you can control everything. So if I want to install WordPress, I just go to Install WordPress, buy the Pro. So choose the domain that you have chosen. Go to Check Domain. Okay, click on I have read the terms and conditions. Click on Install Now. Okay, so your install is underway. Your install is complete. Then click on View Credentials. Go to View. Okay, so here you have your URL, the admin URL, your username and password. So if you just copy the password, copy, go to the admin URL, enter your username and enter the password. You can also choose Remember Me, click on Login. Okay, so now we have installed WordPress. We can go to the site. So this is the place where you're gonna go and have a look on your website and see how it looks like right now. If you go to the left corner, you can choose Dashboard, Themes, Widgets, and Menus. So you can just click on this one, or Dashboard. And this will take us to the backend. So at the backend, we're gonna add post, media pages, we're gonna edit comments, appearance, we got themes, customize, widgets, menus, header, background. We have plugins, users, tools, and settings. Okay. Okay, so now we want to add the Woocommerce plugin. So to do this, just go to the left sidebar and click on plugins. Choose add new. So this is the area where you can add plugins, small software that do different things on your WooCommerce site or WordPress site. So we got BodyPress, Jetpack, BBPress, VP, Super Cache. So this is featured plugins, but we're gonna use WooCommerce. So go to the search plugin bar, type in WooCommerce, hit enter. Okay, so we're gonna use the first one, WooCommerce. Click on install now. Click on activate. Okay, so then we're gonna add some basic setup. Just click on let's go. Go to continue. Store setup. Where is your store based? Country. Which currency? Currency position. Left, right, left with space, right with space. So I will choose left. 1000 separator, comma, decimal separator, dot. Number of decimals, 2 in kilograms, grams, lbs, or oz. Dimension units, centimeter, meter, millimeter, inch. Okay, then click on continue. Will you be shipping products? Yes. Will you be charging sales tax? Yes or no? How will you enter product prices? If you want to enter inclusive or exclusive. So I will choose inclusive. Then click on continue. Payments. If you want to use PayPal, PayPal standard. So I want to choose PayPal standard. Just enter your email address. You can change all of these later. Click on continue. And here you can choose if you want WooCommerce to collect data, yes or no. Okay, so your store is ready. Just go to return to the WordPress dashboard. And if you go to plugins, click on install plugins. We can see that we have WooCommerce installed right here. It's active. We also have the WooCommerce settings right here in the left sidebar. Okay, so this is how you install WooCommerce plugin. Okay, so now we will go and get the Xstore theme. So go to the link below to Theme Forest. And if you don't have an account, just create one. You will go and buy this one for 59 bucks. After that, you will go to your username, go down to downloads. What you will do now is go down to Xstore. I don't have Xstore right here, but it's the same thing. So just go to the theme, go to download, click on installable WordPress file only. Okay. Okay, so this will download the Xstore folder to your computer. So just go to your computer, find the file, so Xstore, right click, choose compress Xstore. Okay, so this will create a Xstore zip file. Then we will go back to our website, then click on Appearance, choose Themes. Go to Upload. Okay, go to Upload Theme, click on Choose File, click on Xstore zip file, then click on Choose. Now we're gonna install the theme. Okay, so then click on Activate. Okay, so now we have Xstore installed on our WordPress site. And as you can see, we will also have to install some plugins. So just click on Begin installing plugins. Click on All, choose Install. Then click on Apply. Okay, so all the 10 plugins are installed and active. If you want to deactivate a plugin, just go to Plugins, click on Installed Plugins. And here you can see all the plugins that we have installed on our WordPress site. So if you go to this one, you can go and deactivate a plugin. You can also, after the deactivation, delete a plugin. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard. So now we're gonna go to the website and have a look. Okay, so we have Xstore installed on our WordPress site. So now we have two options. We can build the website from scratch, or we can go and install a demo. So if you want to start from scratch, then it's gonna look like this. And if you want to have a demo, we go to Dashboard, go down to 8 theme options, go to Import and Export. Okay, so if you want to use a demo from one of these, you have to click on Import Base Dummy Content. So are you sure you want to install demo data? If yes, click OK. If not, click Cancel. So if you want to use one of these, you can click on them and install it on your WordPress site. But in this tutorial, we will build the Woocommerce from scratch, so we will not use the demos. But if you choose to use the demos, you can just change the content, and you have an awesome design from beginning. If you choose to use the demos, you can just enter your own content, like slider and products, and you have the finish design already. Okay, but in this tutorial we will build our WooCommerce from scratch. So we can go back to the website. Okay, so first we're gonna set up our menu. So to do this, we're gonna go to Dashboard, go to Pages, click on Add New. Okay, so here is where you can add all the pages in the menu. So let's say we want to have a blog. Just add a title and then click on Publish. Okay, so this is how you add a page that you can use for the menu. So if you go to Appearance, go to Menus. Okay, so here we're gonna add a menu name. So we can add Primary Menu. Click on Create Menu. Okay, so now we have all of these pages that are included in the WooCommerce plugin. And here we got the page that we just created. So we can just choose Shop, Blog, Checkout, Cart, My Account and Wishlist. click on Add to Menu. Okay, so then we can click on the page and just drag it where we want to have shop. So I want to have shop at the top. So this will be to the left in the menu. Then we're gonna have blog, cart, wishlist. Okay, so now we have shop, blog, wishlist, cart, my account, and checkout. You can choose to have this as main menu. You can also have it as a main menu right or mobile menu. So in this case we want to choose main menu. Click on save. Okay, so the menu is saved. You can also create a new menu. So let's say I want to have a new menu. Just click on create. And we can name this menu right. Click on create. Okay, so we want to have this main menu right. Click on this one. And we can add my account, checkout, and cart. Click on add to menu. Go to save. Okay, you can also find post, custom links, and categories. Okay, so then we can go to the website and have a look. So now we have shop, blog, wishlist, cart, my account, and checkout. Okay, so then we can set up the header. So let's go to dashboard. Go down to 8 theme options. Go to general. Okay, so here we can change the layout. So site layout. If you want to have wide layout, boxed, framed, or bordered. We can go to header type. So in this case you can choose to have logo to the left, the menu. You can have logo in the middle and the menu to the left, logo above the menu, and variant standard, variant center 2, double menu, and 2 rows. So in this case we will use this one, variant center. Click on save changes. Then we can go to header settings. You can choose header wide, fixed header, header overlap the content, header text color. So here we can change the background. So I will choose white. Enable top bar, yes. Top bar background, I will choose black. Top bar text color, white. Logo image. So here you can upload a logo. Then just click on upload files, click on select files. So just find your logo. Click on choose. Okay, then click on select. So now we have a logo image. You can also add a logo image for fixed header, logo max wide. So if you want to have it bigger, Just drag it like that, but we will use 200. Enable sign-in link, yes. Enable search form in header, yes. Enable top panel, yes. Shopping cart icon. Default. Background color for cart number label. You can choose a color. Click on choose. Show number of cart items in favicon. Yes. Then click on save changes. Okay, so let's go back to the website and have a look. Okay, so we have the white background, we have the logo, we also have the menu in the center below the logo. We have the top bar in black and white text. Okay, so I think this one doesn't look so good, so I will go and remove that. So go to dashboard, go down to a theme general. Okay, so header settings. Then I'm gonna enable search form in header off. Click on save changes. Let's go back. Okay, so much better. Okay, so then we can go and set up the footer. So we're gonna go back to dashboard. Go to options, go to general, go to footer. So this is footer columns. You can choose 1, 2, 3 or 4. So I will choose 3. You can choose show footer demo blocks. Will be shown if footer sidebars are empty. Back to the top button. This is if they go down, they will find a button that will take them to the top. Back to top button on mobile. Same thing but on mobile phone. Okay, so then click on save changes. So to add things in the footer, we go to appearance, go to widgets. Okay, so this is the widget area. Here you can add widgets to the main sidebar, left side top bar area, right side top bar area, and so on. So as you can see, we have the footer right here. We have 3 columns. So if we go to column number 1, it's empty, so we want to add something. So in the left right here you can see a lot of widgets. So you can choose the one that you want to have in your footer. So let's say I want to have social links. Just click on social links and choose footer number 3 or 1 or 2. Click on add widget. Okay, so here you're gonna add your social media links. So I will just do like this. But you will add your URL to your social media account. Then gonna click on save. So choose another one. Recent post. Footer number 2. You can add a title. Display post date, yes or no. A number of posts to show. Click on save. And then we can add a search bar. So footer number 1. but you maybe want to add contact information and things like that. This is just for example how to do this. Search. Okay, click on save. So let's go back to the website and have a look. So now we have search products, we have recent post, and we have our social media right here. We can also add social media up here in the top bar. So if you go back to widgets, you find it right here. So this one, left side top bar area, or if you want to have it to the right. So I will choose to the right. I just find social media widget, so this one, and choose right side top bar area. Click on add widget. Do the same thing, add your social media links. Click on save. Let's go back to the website and have a look. So now we have our social media right here. Okay, so now we're going to set up taxes and shipping and also add a product. So to do this, just go to the dashboard, go down to Woocommerce, click on settings. Okay, so here you can change all the settings like general, products, tax, shipping, checkout, accounts, emails, and API. Okay, so you can go and check the general and see if it's alright, like base location, Sweden, selling location, if you want to sell to all countries, shipping location, default customer location, enable taxes, yes. This is a store notice. If you want to have a message across the store below, you can add your own message, but I will not have this one. The currency position, and thousand separator, decimal separator, number of decimals. Okay. Then click on Save Changes. Then you can go to Products. So here you can change weight unit, dimension unit, reviews. You can choose product ratings. So if you want to enable ratings on reviews, ratings are required to leave a review. Shop, verified owner label for customers' review, or only allow reviews from verified owners. Okay, then you have a display. So here you have the shop page. So we want to have the shop page display. You can show products, show categories, or both. You also have default category display. Same thing here. Default product sortings. If you want to show popularity or sort by most recent or average ratings, so choose the one you like. Add to cart behavior, so you can choose this one, enable Ajax. Then you can change the product images. You can change the size of catalog images, so you just change this number and this number. Single product image, so this one, product thumbnails, and product image gallery if you want to enable lightbox. So I will uncheck this one. Just click on Save Changes. Then you have inventory. So manage stock, enable stock management, yes or no. Hold stock if they add something in the cart, this will hold the product for them for 60 minutes. Notification, enable low stock notifications. So if a product is about to get out of stock, you will get an email to your email that you put in here. Okay, enable out of stock, same here. If the product is out of stock, you will get an email. So here you can choose when you want to have the email. Low stock threshold 2, out of stock threshold 0. Okay, out of stock visibility. So if the product is out of stock, you can hide it from the catalog. Stock display format, always show stock when 12 in stock, only show stock when low, only 2 left in stock, or never show stock amount. So I will choose this one. Then click on Save Changes. And this one is if you have downloadable products. Then we go to tags. Okay, so check the tax options. Prices entered with tax. Yes, I will enter prices inclusive tax. Or no, exclusive. Calculate tax based on customer shipping address, billing address, or base address. So I will choose shipping address. Shipping tax class. Shipping tax class based on cart items. Standard rates, reduced rate, or zero rates. So choose the one you like. Rounding, round tax at subtotal level, yes or no. And if you want to have reduced rate or zero rate taxes. Okay, display prices in the shop, so I want to add including tax. Display prices during cart and checkout, I want to choose including tax. Price display suffix. So here you can add if it's inclusive VAT, so the buyer knows. Display tax totals, a single total or itemized. So I want to use this one. Then click on Save Changes. Okay, so then we can go to standard rates. So here you want to choose Insert Row. Choose the country you're gonna sell to. So I'm gonna sell to Sweden. So just click on Sweden. And we're gonna get the country code right here. If you're gonna sell to separate parts in Sweden, you're gonna add a state code, zip code, a city. Then you want to add a rate. So I want to add 25%, like that. Tax name. Priority, leave that. Compound, leave that. Shipping, if you want to have tax on the shipping as well. Then click on Save Changes. Okay, so set up all the countries you're gonna sell to. And if you want to have reduced rate or zero rates, you can do the same. Okay, so then we're gonna go to shipping. So zone name, here you can add the zone name. So here you want to add where you want to have the shipping zone, so Sweden. You can also limit to specific zip postcodes. Then we're gonna click on Save Changes. Okay, then go to this plus button, click on that. Choose flat rate, free shipping, or local pickup. So I want to choose flat rate. Then click on Add Shipping Method. Okay, so then click on Flat Rate. Tax status, taxable or non, cost, the price for this shipping. So I'm gonna add 50. Then you can go to calculation type, charge shipping for each shipping, or charge shipping for the most expensive shipping class. So I will choose this one, then click on Save Changes. Then go to Shipping Options, then choose Calculation, enable the shipping calculator on the cart page or hide shipping cost until an address is entered. Shipping destination, default to customer shipping address or to the billing address, force shipping to the customer's billing address. So I will choose shipping address, click on Save Changes. Okay, then go to Shipping Classes. And shipping classes, this is if you want to add extra cost to a special product, so we want to do this in this tutorial. Okay, so now we have looked at general, products, tags, and shipping. So let's go and add a product. Okay, so then we're gonna go to this one, products, click on add product. Okay, so first we want to add a product name. Okay, then we can add an image. So you can upload a new image by clicking select files or go to media and choose the image. So I want to have this one, then click on insert into product. Okay, so we will have the image right here. So if you click on the image, you can choose to have it to the right, in the middle, and to the left. You can also click on this one, edit. You can add a link. If you want to have a link, you can choose the size. You can also add a text and caption, then click on update. You can also make it smaller or bigger. Okay, then you want to add a description for the product. Okay, so this is text you can add in the description. You can also add links in the text, so just highlight it, click on insert link and choose the link and click on apply. So you can choose bold, italic, bullet list, numbered list, block quote, align left, align center, align right. If you see this 8 theme shortcode, you can also add things from here. You can add a button, block quote, divider, short, wide, full, wide, drop caps, highlight, order list, unordered list. So this is some extra for this theme, so check that out. Then we're gonna go to simple product. So under general you can add the price. You can also add if it's on sale, tax status, taxable, tax class standard. Then go to inventory. So name inventory number for this product. Manage stock, if you want to enable stock management, yes. So you can add how many products you have in stock. So I have 60. Allow back orders. This is if you want to allow orders if this is 0. So I will choose no. Stock status in stock. Sold individually, no. Then go to shipping, choose the weight, dimension, shipping class no, link products. If you have other products you can upsell, just click on the product and this will be linked in this product. Cross-sell, same thing here. Grouping, if you want to make this part of a group. Attributes, if you want to have different choices of the same product, like color, sizes, or things like that. Advanced, you can add a note for the customer. Menu order, so this is just a custom ordering position. Enable reviews, yes. Shows slide temple, we don't have that. Short description, you can add a media. Insert into product. So here you can add a short description about the product. Something like that. Then go to product layout, standard, small, default, large, fixed, thin description, additional custom block. We don't have that. Disable sidebar, yes or no. Disable thumbnail gallery, yes or no. Size guide image. If you have products like t-shirts or socks or things like that, you can add a size guide image. Then go to brands. If you have a brand, you can add the brand. So this is Viva City. Click on add new brand. So now we have a brand right here. So Viva City. Then we can add categories. So this is skin care. Click on add new product category. Then you can choose product tags, so skincare. Separate, you can add lotion, separate. Okay, then click on add. So now we have skincare, lotion and beauty. You can also add a product video. So you can check with the brand and see if they have a commercial for the product that you can put here. So just click on add gallery video. Click on select files and upload it and click on add to gallery. Okay, set product image. Click on set product image. Choose the product and click on set product image. You can also add this at the gallery. Same thing, add to gallery. Okay, so that's it. Click on publish. Okay, so then go to appearance, click on customize. Choose this static front page. Click on a static page. Choose front page and choose shop. Click on save and publish. Okay, so now we have the shop as the home page. As you can see, if we go and delete this one and just go to the main URL, we will come to this shop page. Okay, so then we can go into the product. So this one is the preview description. You can add more text if you like. So we have the image, we have the regular price, the sales price, and this text ink what. So we have in stock, add to cart. If you want to add it to the wish list, the SKU tags, they can share it on social media. So we have the description. If you want to have this in the middle, just go to the product and highlight the text and center the text. We have additional information, weight, dimensions, and you have reviews right here. Okay everyone, so this is how you set up settings in Woocommerce, also how you add a product and make your shop to a static page. So right now I have added some more products. Up next we can change this layout. We can also add some widgets to the sidebar and change the sidebar from left to right. So to do this, just go to dashboard, go down to 8 theme options, go to Ecommerce. Okay, so here you can choose products page layout. Okay, under products page layout you can choose products view mode, you can choose grid list, only grid and only list. So we will use this one, grid list. Products per row, if you want to have more than 3, just choose 4, 5, 6 or whatever you want. Products per page, so I want to have 12. Then you can choose layout if you want to have no sidebar, sidebar to the left or sidebar to the right. So we will use sidebar to the left. Full width on or off, we will choose off. And also you can change these as well, like image hover effect, button hover, show product name, show products categories, yes or no, show price, yes, show add to cart button, yes or no. Then just click on save. Okay, so then we can go to appearance, choose widgets. Okay, so now we want to add some widgets in the shop sidebar. So here we can add like WooCommerce cart. So just choose WooCommerce cart, then choose shop sidebar, click on add widget. Here you can choose if you want to have hide if cart is empty, yes or no. Choose the cart title, then click on save. Okay, so then you can add some other WooCommerce widgets like WooCommerce filter. You can add WooCommerce products, product tags. Okay, so then we can add WooCommerce categories. So this one, WooCommerce product categories. Click on shop sidebar, add widget. So you can change title, order by name, show hierarchy. So we want to have this one, then click on save. Okay, and to change the position, just click on this one and drag it where you want to have it. So I want to have this at the top, like that. So you can just add all the widgets you want to have in the sidebar and then go to the website and have a look. Okay, so we have product categories, we have the cart, tags, the search bar. Okay everyone, so this is how you add widgets in the sidebar. Also how you can change the layout on your product page. So I hope this helped. And now we're going to have a look at this one, the blog post. So if you click on this one, we don't have any posts. So in this tutorial we will learn how you can create a new post and set up your own blog on your e-commerce store. And if you stick to the end, I will give you a free bonus. So this is a free ebook on how to get traffic to your website for free. So this is a great ebook to have when you're just starting out with your website and you want to have traffic. So at the end I will let you know where you can find this ebook. Alright, so to add a blog post, we're gonna go up to this plus sign and you will find new post. So you can click on this one, or you can go to dashboard and just go down to posts and click on add new. Okay, so this is the area where you're gonna create a new post. So first you want to add a title. Like that. Then we want to add a headline. So just add a headline. Okay, so to make this to headline number 1, we just go to this toolbar toggle and we're gonna highlight the text and choose this paragraph drop down menu and choose heading 1. Okay, so now we have a headline number 1. Then we're gonna add a text like that. Okay, so then we want to add an image. So just click right here, go to add media. Okay, so if you don't have the image right here, just click on upload files, select files, and just choose the image you want. So I want to have maybe these images. Click on choose. Okay, so choose the image that you want to have. So I want to start with this one. And right here you can add a title and do the same right here in the alt text. So this is great for search engines like Google to know what's on this picture. Alright, and click on insert into post. Okay, so what we can do now is we can click on the image, we can add it to the right here. We can have it centered or to the left. So in this case, I want to have it to the right. You can also drag the image like this to make it smaller or bigger. Okay. You can also go to edit and you can change the size right here as well. And you can add a link to the image. So if someone clicks on the image, they will get to the URL that you add right here. Okay, then click on update. So next we can add a heading number 2. Do the same thing, just highlight the text, go up to paragraph and choose heading 2. Okay, and just add a text and do the same thing here, just add an image. Okay, so we can add this to the left if you want. Okay, so now we have heading 1, heading 2 and some text, some images. And as you can see, we have some options. We can do bold, italic, strike through, bullet list, and things like that. We can also add a link. So if you want to add a link to another website or to another page on your e-commerce store, just highlight the text, click on insert edit link. So if it's to another website, you can just add the URL right here, or you can choose link options. So here you can search for the pages within your site. So let's say we want to do a blog post about the product. So Just choose the product that you want to have a link to, then click on add link. So when somebody clicks on this link, this will take them to the product. Alright. Okay, so in this Xstore theme you also have these extra options. So here you can choose buttons, block quote, style 1, 2 and 3, divider, drop caps, highlight, ordered list, unordered list. So this is some extra options that you have if you're using Xstore, so that's nice. Alright, so let's say we are satisfied with a blog post. And you also have these extra options, layout options. You can add a custom logo for this page post. So just click on upload file and add an image or logo if you have. Sidebar position. So I want to have it to the right. Widget area, so choose one of these. So I will use main sidebar. Sidebar wide. I will choose default. Custom navigation. Menu right. Primary menu. So I will choose primary menu. Okay, so then we have one page navigation, breadcrumb style, and a lot of different settings. So I will only use this one. This is if you want to have a custom background color, a custom background image, use custom footer for this page, but I don't think that is necessary right now. Alright. Post options, post template standard, hide featured image on single, post future video if you want to have a video, but we don't have that in this post, and SoundCloud and quote. So primary category auto. Alright, so they have a lot of settings. So then we can go to format. We're gonna use standard, and here we're gonna add a category. So just add a category, then click on add new. Alright, so now we have a category, and make sure that it's checked. We're gonna add a tag like that, and you can separate with a comma, and you can add another one. And when you are satisfied, just click on add. Then we want to add a future image. So just click on set future image and choose an image. So I want to have this one, and click on set image. Alright, so we have a featured image as well. So this is how you create a new post. So just click on publish. Okay, so then we have to go to appearance and menus. Choose primary menu, click on select, and then go to categories and choose your category, click on add to menu. Alright, so then we're gonna take this category and place it under the blog to the right like that, and click on save menu. Okay, you can also, if you want to add new categories, go to post and click on categories. And here you want to add a name, you want to add a URL friendly name. You can choose parent, but I will choose none. If you want, you can add a description. Then click on add new category. Okay, and do the same thing with the menu like we did before. Then click on your website. Okay, so if we go to blog, we see that we have this category right here, natural skin care. But if we click on blog, the new post doesn't appear right here. So to fix this, go to Customize, go to Static Front Page, and here under Post Page, you're gonna select Blog. Then click on Save and Publish. Okay, then click on X. Yeah, so now we have the latest blog post right here. And if you go to Natural Skincare, we also have the Natural Skincare category right here. So as you can see, we have this white text right here. So I want to remove this. So to do this, just go to Dashboard, go to 8 Themes Options, click on General. Okay, so then go to Breadcrumbs. Okay, so here we can change the background color of the menu. So I will remove this 8 theme image. You can select a different color if you want. So I will choose red. Then we're gonna choose off on this one, back to previous page. And we're gonna change the font size to 0, font size 0, and font size 0. Then click on Save Changes. Okay, so then we're gonna go to Blog and Portfolio, choose Single Post. So here you can choose Post Template. So I want to have this one, default. And we want to choose this one, Post Previous Next Buttons. We're gonna choose Off. We're also gonna choose Display Featured Image on Single Post, Off. Alright, then click on Save Changes. So if you go back to the website and go to Blog, so as you can see, the text is gone. We only have the menu. If you go to Continue Reading, we also have no text right here. So this is the blog post we just created with headlines, images, text, some link to another page. We also have these share options, so to Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Google+, and also to email. And if you have more than one post, you will also have related posts right below here. We also have comment options, so your visitors can leave a comment and just click on post comment. And if you want to add some widgets here in the sidebar, we just go to widgets. And in this case, we choose the main sidebar. So if I want to add post widgets, just click on add widget, choose a title, number of posts to show images, yes, post type, posts, use slider, yes or no, I will choose no, and this one, post, recent posts, yes, slider autoplay time in MS, so I will choose none, then click on save. Alright, so go back to the website, go to blog, and now we have the latest post right here in the sidebar. So today we're gonna change site title. So to do this, go to Customize, go to Site Identity. So here we can change site title. So this will be Beauty and Health Products. We You can also add taglines. Okay, then click on Save and Publish. Okay, then click on X. So now we have a new site title and tagline. What we want to do now is we want to add a contact page. So to do this, we go to Admin, go down to this Contact and click on Add New. Okay, so just enter a title like that. So this is a basic contact form with your name, your email, subject, your message, and the send button. You can also change with other things like URL, phone number, date, and drop-down menu and things like that. Alright, but we will only have this one. Then click on Save. Then go to Mail. So here you can change to, from, subject, additional header, message body. So this is the message you're gonna see. So from, subject, message body. You can also change this text, like this contact form is from your URL and the email, so change this one and click on Save. Okay, so what we want to do now is we want to take this short code, copy that, go to Pages, click on Add New, enter a title, so contact us, then paste the short code right here, then click on Publish. Okay, so then we want to go to menus. So go to Appearance, choose Menus, go to this one, find our Contact Us page, so this one, click on Add to Menu. Okay, so now we have this contact page in the menu, then click on Save. Okay, so let's have a look. Go to Contact Us. Okay, so now we have this contact form right here. So your name, your email, subject, message, and the send button. So you can also add an image or your address right here. So just play around. Okay, so this is how you add a contact form to your e-commerce store. So we will add a terms and condition page and also a privacy policy page. So to do this, just go to admin panel. Go down to Pages, click on Add New. Okay, so name the first one Privacy Policy. Okay, click on Publish. Okay, so now we have a privacy policy page. If you have your own privacy policy text, you can add it right here, but we will use a plugin for this. Then click on Add New. Alright, so here we're gonna have terms and conditions. Okay, same thing here, you can add your own text, but we will use a plugin for this. Then click on Publish. Okay, so then go to Plugins, click on Add New. Go to the search bar, type in Privacy Policy, hit enter. So we want to use this one from Toolkit. So just click on Install Now. Click on Activate. Okay, so then go to Settings, click on Auto TOS and PP. Okay, so here we want to add all of our information. So enter your full name, your name, possessive name, a domain name, and check all of these. Add your address and location. All right. Okay, so then we will click on displaying. Click on save changes. Okay, so now the plugin is on. So then we want to copy this shortcode. So my terms of service and my privacy policy. So copy this. Go to the pages. Okay, so then go to privacy policy. Click on edit. Okay, so enter the shortcode and remove the terms of condition shortcode. Just leave this one, privacy policy. Click on update. Okay, go back to pages. Choose terms and condition. Click on edit. Add the shortcode and remove privacy policy. And leave the terms of service shortcode. Click on update. Okay, so then we can go to Woocommerce, click on settings, go to checkout, go down to terms and conditions, click select page, choose this one, terms and conditions. All right, and click on save changes. Okay, so then we can go to appearance, choose menus. Okay, so now you can choose if you want to have the privacy policy and terms and condition right here in the main menu or create a new menu. So I want to create a new one. So just click on create a new menu. Okay. Just name the menu. Click on create. Okay, so I want to add this at main menu right. Click on save menu. Then go and check this one. Terms and conditions and privacy policy. Click on add to menu. All right, then click on save. Okay, so then we can go to appearance, then go to widgets. Then we're gonna find a widget called menus. So this one, custom menu. So now we can choose to add this menu wherever you like. So I will choose to have it in footer column 1. Choose add widget. Okay, so if you want, you can add a title. I will not. So select a menu. So select a new menu, then click on save. Okay, you can also test out other areas like top panel, yeah, footer 2, 3, or maybe main sidebar and things like that. Okay, so just play around until you are satisfied. So let's have a look. Go down. Okay, so now we have terms and conditions. We also have a privacy policy. So if you click on this one, we now have the terms and conditions page right here. And we also have the privacy policy. Yeah, privacy policy. Okay. Okay everyone, so this is how you add a terms and conditions page, also how you add a privacy policy page. So I hope this helped. We will have a look at payments. So in this tutorial we will set up PayPal. So to do this, just go to admin, go down to Woocommerce, click on settings. Okay, so then go up to checkout, go to PayPal. Okay, so first we're gonna enable PayPal standard. Then you can choose a title. So I will choose PayPal. And this is a description for the payment. You will also have to add your PayPal account email. Like that. If you want to test the payments before you go live, you can check enable PayPal sandbox. You can also enable logging on PayPal events, PayPal payments. Okay, so then we have advanced options. Add your email. Okay, so then we want to have a PayPal identity token. So to get this, you go to profile settings, my selling tools, website preferences. Okay, then we go to our PayPal. Go to your PayPal settings. Choose my selling tools. Find website preferences. Click on update. So then we want to have this auto return on. You want to add a return URL, your website URL. Go to payment data transfer. Choose on, and under here you find identity token. Just copy the identity token and go down. You can choose if you want to have this on or off. I will choose off. And PayPal account optional, you can choose on and off. I will choose on. And if you want to have contact telephone number, so I will choose off. PayPal recommends these options. Express checkout settings, I will choose no, then click on save. Okay, so then we go back to the website and paste the identity token. Then we go to invoice prefix. So this one, if you have multiple WooCommerce shops, so you will add a unique invoice prefix. PayPal will not allow the same invoice from two different web shops. Then we can go down, you can check this if you want, send the shipping details to PayPal instead of billing, enable address override, payment actions if you want to capture the payment or just authorize it. And page style if you want to add a page style. API credentials if you want to process refunds through PayPal. You have to enter username, password and signature. And if you want to do this, you can go to this link. Just follow the steps and go back and fill in the username, password and signature. Then click on Save Changes. Okay, so this is how you set up your PayPal standard payments. Okay everyone, so let's go and click on Dashboard. So if you haven't done this yet, you need to launch your website. So if you click on this, once you're ready to launch your website, click here. So When you feel your site is ready, just click on this button. Okay, congratulations, your site is now live. Click here to view it. Okay everyone, so the site is live. This is how you create a basic WooCommerce store using Xstore high premium theme. I hope you enjoyed it. Please share this video if you liked it below. You can also leave a comment if you have any questions. Make sure to get the free ebook on how to get free traffic to your website in the description below. And I hope you will enjoy the Xstore theme and get a lot of sales. And of course, make sure to subscribe for my other tutorials. And you have an awesome day.